Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make triple chocolate brownies in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I am using the Hershey's Triple Chocolate Brownie Mix from Sam's Club, and it is the best brownies I've ever had, and get compliments all the time on our brownies, and have actually had a few people ask me to make a video on just how to make these brownies. It is the easiest, best brownies you'll ever make. Today, I'm going to make them in my egg bite molds. So we're gonna have brownie bites, so that's gonna be pretty cool. So I've already got my brownie mix in my mixing bowl. I'm going to add half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 eggs that have already been beaten. Now I'm going to put my brownie mix into this gallon-sized Ziploc bag. Now I'm going to clip off a little corner of the bag and start filling our egg bite mold. By the way, I did spray my egg bite molds with olive oil cooking spray, so make sure you spray your molds before putting the brownie mix in. Set on pressure cook manual high, put the lid on, make sure your sealing vent is sealed, and now we're gonna let it do its thing. All right, let's check our brownie bites. I just poured the water off the top of them. Came out perfect. So we cooked them for 70 minutes and we let them do a self-release for about 20 minutes, and then I did a quick release. I'm going to let these cool for a few minutes and then we will have a taste test. Here's the brownie bites. Look how adorable. They turned out so cute. And now it's time for a taste test. Those are amazing. Wow. They are so moist. I can't even tell you how incredible these are. I'll leave some links down below under Amazon affiliate links where you can order your silicone egg bites if that's something you would like to have. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.